What's up, guys? Night Ryder is back at night. Gonna see if I can show you guys a little bit of the nightlife out here. So there's a scooter, you can't really see it. You can see the red LED lights that I put on. LED lights do not come with the scooter. I bought those separately. There's a screen at night, pretty bright. I'll show you guys the headlamp. Ooh. Sucker is bright. Sucker is bright. There's the rear lights. Alright, turn on the turn signal so you guys see it at night. There it is. Alright, let's go. Take it for a quick little spin. It's kind of chilly out here. So right now I have it on first gear, which is only allowing me to go 12, so I'm not gonna go any further, faster than that. I wanna go a little faster. Gotta switch it to second gear. Let's see. Go. So let's see how fast it goes now in second gear so you guys can see. It goes to 18 and it stays at 18 on second gear on this scooter. Alright. Gonna put it on third gear. Let's put it on third gear. Third gear is full send. It's on send mode. Here we go. Try to hit 30. Try to go down this road right here. Here we go. Damn it. Alright, let me pull over. My bad, guys. My bad. I'm not no damn pro. Hold on, we gotta put it on third gear. What the hell happened there? Where was I on that one? Okay, now it's on send mode. Here we go. Send it down this road. Let's hit 30. Let's try to hit 30. Here we go. 7. Pretty fast, man. I'm driving with one hand while I'm holding this GoPro. That was pretty hard there. There it is. Full send mode. Woo. So here I'm on a road right here, which there's not too much light. So as you can see, this headlamp works a little bit. There's the moon. There's the rest of the road. Let's see how she looks out here in the dark for you guys. Here it is. Alright guys, that's it. Quick little video, night video. See you guys later. Night Ryder is out.